In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add advanced decline ratio indicators on TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to get this powerful market breadth indicator onto your charts without any confusion. So let's jump straight into it. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It can be any chart or time frame. The process is the same. At the top of your chart, you'll see a menu bar. Look for the button labeled Indicators. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all of TradingView's built-in tools and custom scripts live, and it's the starting point for adding any indicator, including the advanced decline ratio. Once the indicators window opens, you'll notice several tabs and categories. To keep things simple, you want to focus on the section labeled Technical. Click on Technical. This filters the list to show you technically focused indicators, which is exactly what we're using here. If your list looks a bit overwhelming, don't worry, that's normal. TradingView just has a lot of options. Inside the technical section, you'll see a search bar and a long list of indicators below it. This is essentially your indicator library. From here, you can scroll and browse, but to save time, it's usually easiest to use the search bar. However, if you're already in the right place on the screen, you might see the advanced decline tools listed as you scroll. Now, find advanced decline ratio in that list. It may appear along with other advanced decline style indicators, so make sure you select the one specifically labeled advanced decline ratio. When you see it, simply click on it once. TradingView will automatically add it to your chart, usually in a separate panel below the price. You should now see a line or plot that represents the ratio of advancing to declining issues, which gives you a quick snapshot of market breadth and underlying strength or weakness. At this point, you can customize the look and feel of the indicator if you like, by clicking on its settings icon on the chart. You might adjust colors, line thickness, or any inputs provided, just to make it easier to read with your existing layout. If you're not already using TradingView Pro, and you want access to more advanced features, like additional indicators, more layouts, and extended data, check out the link in my description to sign up. It's a straightforward way to unlock more tools and get the most out of your charts. And that's it. You've successfully added the advanced decline ratio indicator to your TradingView Pro chart.